What happened to your laptop, you said, sir?
I got mad and I just punched it.
You punched the laptop?
Yeah.
Why?
I was mad at my game.
Which game was it?
It was a computer game I was playing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Don't worry. I got you.
All right.
Your laptop is ready, sir.
Wow.
Now,
Thank you. I
you're
appreciate
welcome.
it, man. That was
You're
fast.
Everything look good?
Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. I
Yes, sir.
appreciate it.
No problem.